Hello everyone, good day. These are the three that I chose in the 14 Kartilya ng Katipunan. An honorable man's word is his bond. A good deed lacks virtue if it springs from a desire for personal profit and not from a sincere desire to do good. Be their skin dark or pale, all men are equal. One can be superior to another in knowledge, wealth, and beauty, but not in being. Every Katipuneros are treated equally no matter what race or educational background he has. Status and identity will never be the reason for the unequal treatment of people. Whether they are Filipinos or not, rich or poor, men or women, and white or black, a body deserves to be discriminated. In our situation, rich people is the superior. But for me, let's treat everyone equally because we're all the same. We're humans.